Hey, my friends. Hey, a little update on my car project. I got my car all put back together and it runs really good. This is the car project where I had to change out the air conditioner. I went ahead and instead of just putting a clutch on it, on the air conditioner, excuse me, I went ahead and just changed the whole air, air conditioner out. It was in the long run, it was cheaper. If I would have just changed out the clutch, it would have been a minimum $50 and up, depending on where you got it. So I went ahead and just changed out the whole thing and got it off Amazon for about $140. So this is my opinion. This is what happened to me on that air conditioner from Amazon. It says it was pre-packed with oil, but it wasn't. So I went down there to the place in town, and he told me that any air conditioner off Amazon, you would have to go ahead and buy that pack oil, and then you have to go ahead and put it in there. He said, go ahead and turn that, turn that air compressor about 100 times, and to get everything circulating inside. So let's crank this thing up. It runs good. Got my stereo going on. Sorry about the buzzer, guys. It's pretty clean inside here. Got pretty decent interior. This is an '06 Buick LeSabre. It actually does really good so far. Everything checks out good. If anybody knows how to fix that, where it says service stabilizer system, it's got a little air compressor on it where it actually blows up the air suspension, but I don't hear it running. So anybody out there, leave me a comment if they know anything about a '03 Buick LeSabre air ride suspension. The air compressor don't come on. It came on one time last week when I had it on the car hauling trailer when I was working on the car, but I don't hear it running no more. So if somebody wants to tell me how to fix it, or some pointers, just leave it in the comments. All right, so this part here is about Sarasota Tim. He's always telling everybody, don't listen to that junk on the news. Don't listen to none of that. Don't follow politics. They're gonna fill your head full of garbage. They're bad for you. Only listen to me. Only listen to my channel. So listen to me and I'll tell you what's going on. And so now he's watching all kinds of channels and giving everybody advice about politics and talk about politics. And just a short little time ago, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, for the last year, he's telling everybody, don't watch the news. Don't watch the news. It'll fill your head full of garbage. You don't want to watch that news. Only watch me on my channel. So that's my little gripe about him today. He's always telling people what to do and how to do it, but he does the total opposite. That's not good. That's not good at all. That's called brainwashing people. Brainwashed. He's taking your brain out, washing it, and putting it back in. And if he ain't talking about politics, he's talking about begging for money. Oh yeah, and I have to say something. This is my opinion. Okay, guys, this is my opinion. Nobody else's mine, so don't chew me up or anything like that and spit me out. This is just my opinion. And I've been watching him now for about a year. When he started talking that crazy talk about only listen to me and my way's the best way, and retire at 62 no matter what, you can go hungry if you listen to him. All right, guys, I guess that's about it. So if you made it this far, I really do appreciate it. If you have any comments, leave a comment, especially about this car. Everything else is working properly. There's no oil leaks that I can see. Even the tire pressure monitor deal on this thing's working. And it's turning out to be a nice car. I got another one. It's an old 2 Buick LeSabre that my daughter's fiance is working on it. And he about got it finished. The quarter panel was all squished in really bad, where it went down the guy's steep driveway, hit another car that belonged to him and squished it all up. So then he fixed it all up for me. He ain't quite finished, but he got all of it pulled out. It's like 3 feet by 3 feet, big old, and quarter panels all squished. All right, guys, I really appreciate you guys hanging in there this far with me. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then give it a, if you like this thing here, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. My channel's doing pretty good. It's a young channel, so it's steady growing all the time, slowly. I can't expect miracles to happen. But there's my other tractor. This is my pride and joy tractor right there. It's an 8N side distributor. See a little oil coming out of there. I think the seal's leaking. But it only leaks a little bit. It's been sitting in my garage there for a couple of weeks, a month, and whenever it sits that long, it does leak a little bit around there. But other than that, motor don't leak. Got brand new tires on it. You got a new paint job on top, and then the bottom's hanging out pretty good. But the top, as you can see, all that, I don't know, what is it, mildew or whatever, but it took the paint right off. I tried to clean it, but it got worse and worse. All right, guys, this is going way too long. I appreciate you guys hanging in there. All right, bye.